So in a recent video, I talked about how your BRP card and other forms of identification, immigration identification, are expiring in December 2024, and how from then on you will need an eVisa to prove your immigration status in the United Kingdom. And I got a lot of questions like this, and this. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what you need to do once you receive this email from the Home Office. And even if you have not received the email, I believe that you can go through this link and do the same to register for your eVisa. Make sure that you like this video, leave me comments below, your questions, share this video with somebody, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So this is what the email you receive from UKVI will look like. Click on it and then scroll down. It will tell you what you need to do, creating a UKVI account, the things you need, your date of birth, your BRP number, your passport, email address, smartphone, the address that you click to get to access your eVisa, and also if you have any questions. So click on the link and it brings you to this page where you'll be able to learn more about everything that you need to get started. So once you know that you have everything that is requested or required, click on start now. Now move on to your smartphone and go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for the UKVI identification app. It is known as UK Immigration ID Check. So this is the one, and you click on download or get, depending on what kind of phone you're using. So download it on your phone and open it. So when you open it, it will tell you, oh, this is UK Immigration ID Check, the things that you need to know. How do you want to connect? But we are not connecting yet, so we'll leave it for now. So now I go back to my email and I click on this link, the initial link that I got from the gov.uk UKVI email. So I click on it to get registered. You can do this on your phone or on your computer, but I just decided to do this, start the process on my phone, since I'll be using my phone for the face verification anyway. So click on start now, and then it brings you to this page and asks you different questions about your BRP. Do you have it? You say yes or no. Is it valid? You say whether it is valid or not. Then it will ask you to create a UKVI account. So who are you creating it for? I'm creating it for myself. So I ask you for your name, your given names. So I put in my first name and second name in that given name. Then my surname, I put it differently. It continues to ask you different questions which you need to answer, and then it will ask you which identity document are you using. So because you have your BRP, you should ideally pick your BRP. So I picked my BRP, and then it asked me to enter my BRP number. It's the number at the upper right corner of your BRP. Continue to fill in the form until you get to where it will ask you for your email address. So you input your email address and they will send you a code. So go to your email and look for that code, copy the code and go back to the website and then input the code. They will ask you for your phone number also, and they will send you a code to verify your phone number. Do the same, copy the code that they've sent to your messages on your phone and then input it on the website and continue. Now, do you want someone else to have access to your account? I said no. Now you'll be able to see all the answers that you've given, and you can edit and change your answers at this point. If you're happy with your answers, go ahead and create accounts. They give you more information about what you need to do next, and when you scroll down, you'll be able to sign in into your UKVI account using the email that you have created. So basically now I can sign in. I clicked on sign in. They asked me what identity documents I used when I created my account. I picked it and I told them the BRP number. I clicked on continue. They asked for my date of birth. This is usually how they, verify that it is you. They send you a code, and yes, you input the code and then you are signing. Now this is the eVisa form, and this is the form you need to complete. Now you need to link your eVisa to this account. Basically, you need to confirm your identity next. So this is where you need that UKVI app on your phone. So continue to the app, click on continue, and then it takes you straight to the app because you have already downloaded the app. That's why you need to download the app first. Now it takes you to the UK Immigration ID Check, and then they confirm whether it's you using your email or your phone number, whichever one you choose. So confirm your identity before you continue. Now your network or anything can happen and you might have to abandon it at that point. You can always get back to this point by going through the confirmation email that was sent to your email. So that was what I did here. Now my app is connected. I read their privacy policy and I can start using the app. So for the app, you'll be able to take an image of your document, check your documents information, scan your face, and also take a photo of yourself. Click on start and pick the document that you want to use. Now, because you've been picking BRP from the start, make sure it is BRP that you picked and not international passport. If international passport was what you started with, then you can continue with international passport. Click on continue and ensure that you follow the guide that they are giving you to snap your biometric residence, scan your face, scan the chip on your biometric residence until you get to the point where you take your own picture. So you take your picture by yourself. You know, they will give you the guide. Just make sure you follow it, and then they will display the information that they've scanned from your document and tell them if you are happy with submitting that information. So click on submit information and they tell you what happens next. Click on continue and then you can continue with your application on your phone or on your computer. So if you want to continue on your computer, you need to go back and sign in through the sign-in email you received from UKVI. So this is me back on my phone now onto the application form, and then they ask me again which email can we use to contact you, which phone number. I gave that to them, and then talking to us about your account. So basically these are a set of security questions that you can pick and give answers to here, so that if at all you have any issue with your account and you cannot solve it yourself, you can contact them, and then they will ask you what is, let's say you say what is the first job you ever had, they will ask you what is the first job you ever had. So depending on the answer you give here, they will know whether truly it is you or not. Next, you go on to declaration, and then you declare whether it is for yourself or for your child, or you are a third party or something like that. So pick whichever one applies to you. Continue, and now you can submit your form. So click on submit, and this is what you will see next. You're going to see that you can confirm and submit when you are ready to submit your application, or you can click on save and return later. Anyway, I submitted mine and they gave me a reference number. So you are going to receive an email afterward telling you that they are linking your eVisa to your account, and they will let you know when your eVisa is ready to view. So for me, about 12 hours later, I received this email from UKVI with the subject view your eVisa. So I clicked on it, and basically I can sign in into my UKVI account and view my eVisa. They've already attached the link in this email, and I need my BRP number, my date of birth, and internet connection on my phone or my laptop. So I clicked on it and I clicked on start now. So basically, like I said, you need your BRP. So they will ask you what identity document did you use when you created your account. I picked BRP. I entered my BRP number, and after that I entered my date of birth also, and then they sent me a security code via my, I think I used my phone number this time around, and this is my eVisa. So it basically contains information about your name, your status, when your stay is valid from until, your national insurance, and you can prove your status by getting a share code. I made a previous video about how to get a share code on this channel. It's the same process, but I'll go through it again. So basically you click on get a share code, and it will ask you why you need a share code. So whatever it is from here, click it, continue. So it brings out your information, everything that your employer needs to know, and then, or whoever you want to give it to, then click on get a share code, and that is the code that you will share with the person you want to prove your immigration to. Guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me your comments in the comment section. Share this video, please. Give this video a thumbs up before leaving. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in this other videos showing on your screen.